It's been a long time since I've done a video. I'm quite apologetic about that. I've been a little bit busy with regards to things in my life. Right. So anyway, I have, since doing the last video and doing this one, the UK has actually been seeing some Matchbox appear in various Tesco stores. We have over 4,000 Tesco superstores in the UK, and it seems that we have had case A appear for 2020 models. However, only 556 cases of case A have only made it to the UK and be distributed in a select few stores of over 4,000 stores. So unfortunately, the UK once again is having the same issues with Matchbox as what it was with regards to when Mattel chose Asda to be the Solos reseller. So Tesco are now the Solos reseller of Matchbox officially in the UK. Unfortunately, we are only getting the basic range, which has now been reduced down to 100 models. We have a few 5-packs coming through and a few 9-packs coming through, but not all stores are getting them, which is still very, very disappointing. Once again, Mattel are ignoring the UK distributors who supply the independent stores and hobby stores within the UK, and they're also ignoring the remaining large chain store toy shops that we have in the UK, which are the Entertainer and also Smiths, who are receiving quite a rather large abundance of Hot Wheels, of which they are actually struggling, ironically, to sell because of regards to how much that the stores are actually receiving per delivery. So yeah, it's very annoying. But anyway, in the meantime, you can find my posts and photos and also videos via the hashtag makematchboxgreatagain. You can find me via that hashtag on LinkedIn and Facebook. I have done numerous articles on LinkedIn tagging in various people from Mattel and including Mattel itself, and the same with regards to on Facebook as well. So please, by all means, look us up on via that hashtag. So in the meantime, I shall be opening a box. I've actually got a couple of very sympathetic followers in the USA who have been very kindly sending me the latest Matchbox. So I've already opened this case, but we'll be going through. So, okay, so we have so at the moment been having issues. So this is what has actually been sent to me by one sympathetic collector in the USA by the name of Robert. Robert has very kindly been sending me a few cases on a monthly basis. So this is contents of one case that has been sending me. What is quite interesting is that Skybusters is very popular still in the USA. The last time that Skybusters made an appearance in the UK was around about 2012. And that last set, and obviously sets after 2012 have actually depicted aircraft that are assets of the Royal Air Force and actually in real life manufactured here in the UK. But unfortunately, Skybusters range has not appeared in the UK because Mattel somehow think otherwise. But hey ho, there we go. So yep. So with the Americans, they have the tool card. So it's a stunning model of a 1969 BMW 2002. So quite a bit of nice detail on that one. I'll just move my chair around so I can actually sit down. So BMW M5 there. So these are the last, well, some part of the 2018 set that unfortunately we never got to see fully in the UK. That's a real nice model of this Porsche Cayman there. If we can, we've done to the detail there on the Porsche badge. So it's quite even down to the registration on that one, and obviously the Porsche name. It's quite interesting, really, regards to some of the license models that of the big companies that Mattel is paying money to use are very well detailed. So so this particular set here is in terms of the Ford, of which the Matchbox brand has been done several sets in the past regards to Ford, but unfortunately not really available to the UK market, even though for many years the UK has actually had factories to produce Ford vehicles out at Dagenham, Southampton, and also in Wales. So yes, so reminds me this one here of the of one of the 1970s 1 to 75 police launch as a child. And even though I actually already have this model in the UK packaging, this is still one of my favourite models of these new releases. Absolutely stunning. I've actually seen this in real life. There we go, and another aspect here of a model that appears on UK roads on a daily basis. In terms of the man, unfortunately, it's just bizarre that Mattel have not been issuing cases So 2018 saw the 50th anniversary of Superfast, because 1969, it's well, 2019 actually is this the anniversary of Superfast, but some of these are bought. Let's just check date. Yes, so obviously 50th anniversary of Superfast, 1969. Matchbox changed from the regular wheels to Superfast. Unfortunately, yep. Even though Matchbox, ancestral home of the UK has not officially seen these models at all, and apparently never will do, which is a shame. Even though these models actually consist of vehicles that manufactured in real life in the UK, such as Jaguar Land Rover and MG, and just to name a couple there. That's so far that I've actually able to see. I still don't know how many vehicles are actually in this particular Superfast set, but that remains to see. So yeah, so I mean, these are regards to the Scott opening features. So on top of there, regards to open door, extremely nicely detailed, and obviously comes with the the good old Matchbox. It is such a shame, really, that there we go. Look at that. It's just defies logic, really. I mean, what is the in terms of the business strategy here for Mattel? This basically is a Land Rover manufactured at Solihull here in the UK. Yet this particular model has not been officially released as part of this set, or the entire set's not available officially in the UK. Few people have actually been importing these models. Some of the hobby stores from in the UK have been sourcing from other hobby stores in the USA and selling these via eBay and their own websites. But unfortunately, they've had to charge high costs to obviously recuperate their costs of buying these, the shipping fees, the import costs, and the VAT. I just really don't know. I mean, it makes me wonder if the senior managers at Mattel are wanting not only Matchbox to fail, but also Mattel as well. Frightening. So these here are actually called power grabs. So I mean, that's basically in terms of a nod, really, with regards to the actual old Matchbox from 1950s right through to the late 70s. So yes, I think it was 1982 was when the last boxes were produced, before going on to window boxes and blister packs. So what else have we got? So we've got a 2015 Chrysler. Oh, there we go. How ironic. A 1963 Austin Healey Roadster, which basically obviously originally manufactured in real life in the UK. I believe that prior to Asda stopping, losing the deal, went tragically wrong to supply Matchbox. I believe that a few people in the UK managed to get the UK blister pack version of this. Unfortunately, never Never saw it, but no, it's nice to actually have this as part of my my collection. This is another interesting one here. I mean, this is basically a Scania fire engine, heavily seen on the UK roads because obviously majority of UK fire services, well, the fire stations in the UK, various fire brigades actually have a Scania as part of their fleet. And you know, yeah, another Mattel own goal, shall we say? Epic fail. Can we zoom in? There we go. So yeah, I mean, look at in terms of the artwork. But yeah, we've got still quite a long way to go, really. But yeah, it's just a shame, really, in regards to the very, very poor distribution of Matchbox in the UK. It's since 2012 we've started to see a decline. In 2015, the rug was pulled indefinitely from the UK in terms of the big toy distributors. So yes, so these are basically imported by Mattel Canada into the USA because these, not only in terms of the boxes but also the blister packs, are available. Oh, look at this! Wow, what a model! Yeah, wow, that is speechless. Look at that! Look at that! Another vehicle that still, you know, is seen on the UK's roads, especially if you're down south of the UK, around Cornwall, or attend various Volkswagen shows around the UK. You know, see these in abundance, but what a model! And yet, unfortunately, not officially available to the UK. So that's it in terms of that box. Well, thank you very much, Robert, for obviously sending this lot to me. It was much appreciated. That is it now for this video. Please, you know, if you're on LinkedIn, Facebook, please follow me via hashtag makematchboxgreatagain. If you are, you know, in the USA or elsewhere that actually has, you know, an abundance of Matchbox, and you want to help me out, please, by all means, contact me through LinkedIn or Facebook, and we can obviously arrange something for the future. But there we go. Thank you very much, folks. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.